Okay, let us begin something simple. This is Gematria. 5 numbers, 3 times 2 numbers, 4 times 3 numbers, 3 times 4 numbers. Value in Gematria, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There's 2 over here, 8 and 8 is 16. The true value of this is 22. The difference is 6. 6 and 16, man's life. The half-life, 8 and 6 is 24, flight of the phoenix. The IT system inside the sun. This is the gateway. Again, the IT system, 16. IT, 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 is 5 and 4. 5 and 4, 5 by 4, 5 plus 4. The 54 is the sun, it is the fox, and 5 times 4 is 20, and 5 and 4 is 9, which create the letters exactly as I and T. Inside of here, it's the angel resident, A and H, inside of man. Life of W and double V and W. All these are double letters. 2 lives of you of creation. 2 times 3, 2 plus 3 is 11. 2 times 2, 2 plus 2 is 8, is 19. 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 is 5, equals to 23. Be creation. So when you add these up, it totals to 103. 163 is your touchdown, and 16, 1 and 6 is 7 and 3. And this is the link between 36 and 1. This is 103 minus this is 248. Area space, 24 hours, the 8 heaven. 48 is Pluto, inside the 9 lives of the cat. Pythagorean is 111, but we also have to understand in Pythagorean, when you get to 10, 1 plus 0 will add 6. When you get to 20, 2 plus 0 will add 6. You can put another 12 here to have another 123. Or when you get to 10, instead of going down to 1, you can keep the 9 and add it to 10th position, which gives you 131. This will create your DC worlds. 111 equals to 240 when you minus it from numerology, adding up all the numbers in regular numbers from 1 to 26 added equals to 351 in regular numbers, minus the Pythagorean count gives you 240, 10 days at 24 hours. In Gematria, what we get in Gematria, 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 7 in the middle, 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 7 in the middle. 49 and 49 equals to your 98 and gives you 253 left over, 1/4 of creation, electric company. 2 and 3, beta communication, the queen's life, right over here. These are the basic numbers for this. When you total them all out, it is 351, 454. That is inside the sun. 351, 449, which is Pluto, birth, creation inside Mars. 9 by 4 is 36 creation. When I'm adding these two, when you add these two, it's 462. That is the queen. There's one thing I want to say, is if you get something that's round, the French and the English say the French are frogs. Frogs hop, that makes round. The French say the men are squareheads. Squareheads is in tête carré or a block. A block you can also say is a bloke, because he's a squarehead. So squareheads and circles, the French and the English. This numerological count is 3, 4, 5. 551, 554. Let me do this again. 3, I'm going to add them all up. 3, 4, 5. 551, 554, 564, 565, 663, 636 creation from these 3 numerological values. The last thing I wanted to mention here to keep this video short is that 7, 8, 9 always go together. 7, 8, 9. 9 is the birth and reflects down to 6. The 6 is connected, created by 2 worlds in the 8, and the 7 is the gateway. 1 times 9 is 9. 1 plus 9 is 10. 9 and 1 is the spirit, artificial intelligence. 1 and 9 are on 2 sides. It's 1 being on 2 sides, which is reflected in the game of pool. 18 is 1 times 8. 1 plus 8 is 8 and 9. Inside the 2 heavens of 8, okay, is 9. 4.5 and 4.5, and this is 4. The 0.5, anytime you get a point, it is including, okay, the center world. It doesn't matter if it's 0.2 or 0.8, but it's counting for the altar worlds. So this is 17. This becomes 6, 8, 1. 19, 36, 46, 51 is Mars. Plus 6 for this scenario over here. If we add this to this one over here, we get another 6 over here. Makes 57 Mars and the moon of Mars. Control. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.